We're traveling deep into the post-oak savanna of central Texas. Now, more than 500 years ago, Spanish explorers demarcated this area with 2 points of interest. One, a treasure rumored by local natives to be of immeasurable value. But two, more importantly for me, was a sacred beast who protected this treasure. Now, this beast has an uncanny resemblance to other Squatch legends throughout North America. So we're here to find the Central Texas Squatch.
I have eyes on the target now, in pursuit. Lost him. Let me check my location. There he goes. Roger that, boss. I'll lay low and scout the situation.
Yeah, hey babe, just calling to check in, see how things are going. All right, yeah, sorry I gotta work late this weekend. I'll be back on Monday. I've got a lot of things I gotta clean up, so my boss really only trusts me with these sorts of things. So, you know, if it wasn't for the benefits that I get, I probably would have quit by now, right? So anyway, I've got some serious work I got to do. You know what I mean? Anyway, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, my boss is calling, so see you later. Hey boss, what's up? Yeah, I'm on it. Yeah, don't worry. You'll get the idol or whatever it is, medallion, whatever. You can count on me.
Campfire should keep me safe tonight. Beautiful under the stars. Diego, where are you? What does it mean? Come across the full tree, across the gully. It's gotta be close. This man. Diego, what does this mean? I'm missing the information. What is it? What does it say here? Oh, cripes. Hold on. Fire and the heat. It's changed the map. It's right here. I found it. The lost tomb of Chimiltupec. It's got to be here. It's got to be here. It's got to be right here. It's got to be here. medallion's actually here. Crikey. It's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Rise and shine, crotch hunter.
It's Squatch Hunter to you.
Give me that medallion.
What medallion?
That medallion.
Oh, this whole thing.
That's the one.
You can't have it, son.
Why not?
Power. It's too great.
That's why I want it.
Alright, you want it. You got it. Trees just don't break like this. He's out here. The legends are true.
Give me the medallion.
You don't want this, mate. You've no idea what you're dealing with here.
What's out here?
I'm not running from you.
What are you running from?
Oh, shit, mate. See for yourself.
What?
Right there.
Yeah, boss. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'll get it. Understood, boss.
Where are we?
All right, Kangaroo Jack. The medallion.
Medallion's gone, mate. It's too powerful. It's not meant for human hands.
What are you talking about?
It's back where it belongs.
I need that medallion. It's that medallion or my life.
If we don't work together, we're both dead men.
Then I guess we work together.
This is our town, got a whole set of rules, dangerous. New York City set of tools, going down Chinatown, Gucci blade, Cartier. Too much Hennessy, got that West Coast fade. The left and right, left and right, jumping, who's that back out of fight? Rolling down, oh back up, back up. Rolling down, oh back up, back up. Play your cards right, cause if you wanna fit in, we wanna high with the stakes, and it's all built in. Who's ready, who's ready? Come and get it, who's ready, who's ready? Come and get it. Look at me now. Look at me now, check me out. Look at me now, look at me now, check me out.
Don't threaten me. I'm not afraid of you anymore. Your father was right to not trust you with that map. That's why he gave it to Jake Addams. I've witnessed power that you couldn't possibly understand. Things that would make a grown man crap his pants. I know this firsthand. No, you listen to me. Consider this my resignation. I'm coming for you.